Good morning. Today's craft is a sun catcher. What you're going to need is a CD. CD here, very easy. And if you have any glitter, buttons, shells, anything you have lying around, I happen to have some glitter. And you're going to need glue and some string, and I have some fishing line I've lost. Anyway, we'll use string. So what you're going to do is you want to get your CD, and you're going to get your glitter. I'm going to have like flowers and all kinds of stuff. It's pretty easy, and you're going to do both sides. So you're just going to take some glue and you're going to put it on the CD and take your, I'll show you up close. So that's like the first one. So basically you're going to go all around the CD, turn it over, and you're going to let it dry. And when it's all done, it looks like this. So if you have fishing line or string, we're going to take it and put it through here. And then you can tie it, have a parent tie it in a knot. And you can hang it anywhere you want. And if you want to write your name and the date, you can do that. Anyway, that's today's craft. Have a good day.